everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be making Valentine's Day cards with watercolors. The other day, I was playing with some textures in my watercolor sketchbook, and I really liked the result. I realized that those sketches could be great for Valentine's Day cards. So, I decided to make this video. I will list all the supplies in the description below. The first card will have a single word love on it. I like to sketch it out first, so that I know the spacing and the placement. And the second card will have white hearts on a pink and red background. I use masking fluid to draw the hearts before working on the background. It was so nice to paint these cards. Since they were freeform, I could just listen to my audiobook and play. I used salt to create the texture effect on both of these cards, and then I used my blower dryer for crafts to let it dry a little faster. Masking fluid specifically has to dry completely before you paint over it, and try to take it off afterwards. To rub off salt, use a paper towel and gently scrape off the salt. To remove masking fluid, I use the tapered end of one of my brushes. Removing the masking tape is so satisfying, isn't it? I like to put some cute little designs on the back of my cards. It takes just a few seconds to paint these hearts, but they make the cards look more polished and complete. move to the other two cards. Here I decided to flip the design. I decided to keep the background white and instead paint red and pink hearts. I don't get a chance to use my shimmery watercolors often, but this was a great opportunity to play with them. I used the copper color to paint some more hearts on top of the red and pink ones. To create a texture on my last card, I decided to play with alcohol. You need to use clear alcohol for this. Now that I think about it, I guess I could have used rubbing alcohol for this, but I forgot that I had it and instead I used the vodka from my freezer. I still like the effect. Once the surface is dry, I decided to paint a big copper heart and small red shimmery hearts around it. I made the hearts asymmetric because I love the imperfections, and they make things so much more unique. And again, for final touches, I painted some more hearts on the back of the cards, but with shimmery copper watercolor. Some of the paint leaked through the washi tape. Next time, I'll make sure I press washi tape a little harder. But no worries, we can always fix it with some more washi tape, or we could leave it alone as is. Who said things have to be perfect? enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more art videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.